We guide you through how to change Siri's name to anything you want on your iPhone running iOS 18. So the first thing you need to do is to open Settings, scroll down and tap Siri and search, then select Siri Voice to make sure Siri is fully enabled. After that, go back and tap Language and choose a language variant that supports custom pronunciation. And now head to Contacts, create a new contact using name you want Siri to respond to. Save it, then return to Siri and search, and tap My Information to assign the contact to yourself. Once done, activate Siri and say something like, Hey Siri, what's my name? And when Siri asks for confirmation, approve it, and from that moment on, Siri will recognize and respond using your custom name, whether it's a nickname, alias, or something totally fun. And if Siri mispronounces it, just follow the on screen prompts to correct the pronunciation until it sounds right.